Hello and welcome to Alpha Power Cleaners. Today we're going to do a brief training video on the Tennant T16 ride-on floor scrubber dryer. Now before we get started with the actual machine, you've got to always remember that floor scrubber dryers are not to be used as floor sweepers. That means that before you use the machine, before you start cleaning your floors, that you pre-sweep of any debris, pick up any pallet wrap, any bits of wood, any pallet chippings. Make sure the area is totally swept, clean, so that you get the most out of the floor scrubber dryer. Starting at the rear of the machine, on the left you have the clean water tank. This should be filled with water and detergent. The right-hand tank is the recovery tank. Inside you have a vacuum filter and an electronic float. There is also a debris tray where larger pieces of debris will be collected to avoid blockages. However, if you pre-swept your floor correctly, very little should be collected in here. It is important that when the machine is emptied, the tank is flushed through and the drain hose cap is shut completely to avoid a loss of suction performance. The squeegee bar can be found at the rear of the machine and can be removed like so. Remove the suction hose and then push the two yellow levers down and the squeegee bar can be removed. Turn it upside down and the squeegee blades should be cleaned at the end of each shift to avoid a debris build-up and streaks on the floor. To refit, put back onto the machine and push the two yellow levers upwards and push the suction hose back onto the nipple. Towards the front of the machine you have the brush head. The side skirt doors can be opened like so to allow access to the brushes. Now you can fit brushes or pad drives to this machine, so to remove them, push the toggles together through this hole, remove the brush or the pad drive and then replace, follow the same process in reverse. Push the brush underneath, push it upwards and it will clap onto the drive dog. The batteries are directly beneath the seat and can be accessed like so. Lift the seat up and use the support bar to hold it in position. These machines are typically fitted with wet traction batteries. This particular machine has an autofill system, whereas most will have flip caps that open to allow manual filling, which should be to 10 ml above the battery plates. The charger on the Tennant T16 is plugged in via the cutout on the panel beneath the seat. In terms of operating the machine, you have the following controls. You've got the key switch, forward and reverse toggle switch, emergency stop, light control, main control panel, the main green button which turns on all the functions of the machine, the vacuum button which toggles the vacuum and the squeegee bar on and off, the water control button which turns the water on and off, the water flow adjuster which adjusts the amount of water you can put on the floor, the brush pressure adjuster which adjusts the brush pressure that's applied to the floor, and the battery indicator. To operate the machine, press the green button to initiate all functions and press the accelerator. If you wish to do a deep clean, turn off the vacuum function and scrub the floor multiple times. Once you're ready to retrieve the dirty water, press the vacuum button again, which will activate the vacuum and the squeegee bar. If you'd like some more information on the Tennant T16 or you'd like to see one in action, please reach out to us here at Alpha Power Cleaners. We'd be more than happy to host you here at our premises in Sileby, or we can bring a machine to site and carry out a full site survey and demonstration.